Hi everyone. So I was going around my house and I noticed that I have a lot of chametz that I have to get rid of. And the one thing that caught my eye was Oreos. And I don't want to eat the whole pack because then I'll have a big tummy ache. So I decided that I'm going to make a Shabbat treat for my whole family. So we're going to need some Oreo cookies. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the Oreo cookies in a ziploc bag and we're going to just smush them together. Like this. You're going to stomp, you're going to smush, you're going to make them so tiny that they're going to end up looking like this. So once you get all of them to look like this, you're going to take some cream cheese right here and you're going to add it to a bowl. And you're going to take this and you're going to smush it together. Like this, look. Smush, smush. And then what you're going to do is, once it's all mixed together and all smushed together, you're going to take a little bit out and you're going to make little balls. And you're going to put it in a bowl, you're going to put it in a plate or in a pan, whatever you can find. So after you make them into small little balls like this, you're going to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Tell mommy to put on a timer, and then after the timer rings, you could take them out. And then if you could find any sticks around the house or like some plastic forks or something, you could stick it into the balls. And now you have an Oreo cake pop. So for the moms who wanted to make it a little fancy for like any guest or something like that, what you could do is you could take white chocolate and you could melt it, and then you could dip it into the chocolate, and you could stick some Oreos on the side and then dip it into the Oreos and then put it back in the freezer for about 10 more minutes. Take it out, I meant refrigerator, take it out, and then it'll look something like this. Use white chocolate because it'll look much cuter, and then there you go, you have an Oreo cake pop. Shabbat Shalom.